Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Freddie with Infinite Tech Services. We're out here in Oakland, California, and we're doing a Logitech Rally installation.
All right, so this one is this is a ClickShare that's connected to this monitor, and the way they connect to it is on HDMI 2, and the other one's on the projector over there, and that's a separate ClickShare, and we connected the projector on the top and wired it all. And this was all wired in as well, so you can see it's a very clean install. All coming in through there. Oh, can't really see it. It's mounted on the wall there. So if I can get the video of the mount. There we go. So that's the ClickShare on the left, and then the Logitech on the right. All on the wall mount. And then on the desktop, we're not done with this yet, but this is the Logitech table hub. This is the remote. This is the ClickShare, and then we've got the microphones. These tables are just set up temporarily. And then over here, we've got the other ClickShare. So we installed the screen, also the custom mounts for the remote for the screen. So there's a motor for the screen itself. You can control it with this. You can go up and down. Like that. And if you're missing the remote, you can manually control it up there. And so that's all going to be wired. There's nothing behind the screen. And then we also put the mount here on the projector with power, the HDMI, and also the mount for the projector. And then we haven't decided yet if this was going to be mounted on the wall or on a roller. So we put this here temporarily. Here's the ClickShare. The ClickShare is connected to channel 1 on the, so if we select one, if we select one, you'll see that it's the ClickShare. You can easily select that. And then all the speakers, we've installed 6 speakers. They can be used in surround sound or in matrix surround, which means that all the speakers will play at the same volume. And then if it's movie time, switch it to surround sound, and we've got the full surround effect with that. So all these are the different speakers, and we've got those connected via the banana plugs. And then here's the connection for the ClickShare. It's the ClickShare. And that's going into the first input here.
Now here's the Logitech Rally all connected. Think of the Logitech Rally as a webcam for your meetings, so you can use Zoom, Teams, or Google Hangouts.
All right, here's a sample of it in the Windows device. So let's go ahead and click on the button here. I think we have to actually run it first. Okay, so I press the button. You can see it's preparing. And there's a device here called CD drive called ClickShare. And let's just click on the ClickShare for Windows. Ready to share. And if you click on the button, and now the PC is connected. So as you can see, it's mirrored on the conference room screen where the base unit is connected. And just like on the Mac, it also turns red when you're sharing. And that's how you get the Windows PC connected to the screen. So here's what happens when you have two devices connected to the barcode via AirPlay. So on the left is my laptop, and on the right is my phone. And all I had to do is go to swipe down here and click on AirPlay, and I selected the conference room, and you can see it showing up there mirrored onto the display via the barcode ClickShare. So when I disconnect this, and stop mirroring, it'll go back to full screen. So it looks like you can add additional devices onto the Barco Click Share via AirPlay. All right, so that concludes I think this is day 3 of the setup. We've got a couple more things to do to finalize this, but we're almost there.
If your company is based out of the San Francisco Bay Area, we'd be happy to give you a quote for a Logitech install for your conference room or common area. Check out our reviews on Yelp, and if this was helpful, definitely hit like and subscribe on the way out. Thanks for watching.